speakers, Nguni language speakers. Can we get, especially for somebody who's had the best of both, Joburg and KZN, King Dlozi, King Tom, what is the difference? Because I know Joburg could use interchangeably in Convo, but there's spaces where that define you and you're like, okay, that kind of makes sense. And then you hear a version, Yako KZN, and you're like, hey, okay. There's Bodlozubala,
yeah. And I would be lying if I say ukuthi angaze ngithole that sort of discrepancy. But with how I was taught and according to my own personal observation, before delving to a difference, I would like to first highlight ukuthi at the very core essence now of these two realities, the core essence is the oneness of the spirit. When you talk about the ancient system of irreverence, the Kemite people, old people who founded like the Nile civilization, they knew that there was this one God, Amun, Ra. Mara out of self, she self multiplied. Waba ushu, waba. Basically, ushu in essence is Ra. No shu wenza utefnut. Wenza ubani nobani. We understand? Mara yonke lento is Ura. The main component here, umoya, Ura. So now idlozi, because mina ngizalwa kaLuthuli ekhaya, uzalwa kwaMatli, uyabona, uzalwa kaMokoena, uzalwa kwaMkhize, nobani. Alright, thokoza. Ngokwe spiritual signature emoyeni, uyabona, ngiregister ngokwesibongo leso, ngoba abantu umoya wabantu bakithi, uyangithola leyo nto leyo, ungirecognize ngaleyo signature. That's why mangiphatha ngisho lezi ithakazelo ngibabiza bonke amagama wabantu lawo, uyabo. So idlozi lelo, lowo moya, yonke lowo moya, we understand, uforma angazi ngayibeka kanjani, but metaphorically uforma a pattern, like a string, like a string, like a spiritual DNA. Uyabona, nakhona sinama-compartments, uyabona, la khona imimoya yabantu bakini abangasekho, uyabo. Yonke leso string via ama-generations, generation, kuze kufike kule generation yakho, nawe usazoshiya lo mhlaba, uphinde futhi nawe u-eda kule string silobe siqhubekile like eternally. Uyabona leyo nto leyo. Sikhuluma ngani la? Sikhuluma ngedlozi. That's why makuthiwa umuntu uvukwe yini? Umoya. Uvukwa idlozi, akusho ukuthi uvukwe ithongo. Uvukwa yini? Idlozi. And then ithongo, iy'thunywa zomoya, iy'thunywa zemikhathi, njengoba siqale sakhuluma ngamandla emikhathi, iy'thunywa zasemanzini, uyabona, iy'thunywa ezisebenzisa amandla emvelo, which are these 4 archetypal elements presided over by umoya, the ether, uyabona. Ithunywa, ithongo, amathongo, yes, ithunywa zikamenzi, like ushu tefnut, uyabona, unut, ugeb, u-asa, oset, neptet, uyabona, uheru. Ngicabanga ukuthi itopic ilide la here. So yeah, so amathongo lawa kushiwo ukuthi amadlozi kaMenzi. Amathongo kaMenzi, because if we can now dissect it or try to define it within a context of the Ngoni pantheonism, sinoMenzi umdali, and umdali unamathongo wakhe, which are the archetypal figures as uyena but uzmanifesta self yabo ngawo lawo mathongo in 7 aspects, which is umvelinqange, uma unomkhubulwane, unomhoyi, umlenze munye, usodume, usimakade, uyabona. Bakhona baningi nabanye osomnganise, umkhulu uCredo ukuthi uyakhuluma ngabo, usonzwaphi, ithongo mawulele lambono, the visions, lamakhambi, blah blah blah, uyabona. So asisho ukuthi we don't address them as amadlozi kaMenzi or kaRamasedi, amathongo kaMenzi. So yeah, that's basically that's the difference, according to my own personal observation.
No, so I think that does make sense. But for educational purposes, can you take us down a little bit, Mhlawumbe, like the etymology or the root of the words? What does Udlozobala mean? What does or a retranslation?
Yeah. With the aforementioned brief explanation, it's a string, it's a line, it's a thread, a generational thread. Ngokomoya uyangithola. So sikhulume ngama-compartment akhona kule thread aluyele avela from one generation to the other. So umoya, maybe say from the 7th, that's just a typical example, maybe from the 7th generation, from mina right now or from wena right now, ne bekukhona umuntu obeka negift and esebenza ngaleyo gift, uyabo, and kufanele iqhubeke, or rather ayizange iqhubeke, ayizange iphothuleke ngendlela bekufanele iphothuleke ngayo. You understand? Ikhwama zekhehla noma isalukazi fanele zimanifeste kuleyo generation umoya ngokwedlozi, ngokwentando, or i-free will, i-will power yedlozi lasekhaya ngikhuluma ngento like subjectively, into yakithi, uyabo. So lento umoya mawufika uchuza now in whichsoever generation ufika uchuza lowo muntu wefamily, you understand. Usually awufiki as a like as a packet of marshmallows, we understand that. Kuyaye kube yinto, we all know ukuthi abantu bayagula, abantu baba namasayini, abantu babone imbono, like sometimes ithusayo, zonke lezo zinto lezo, uyabo. Unfortunately, ngale of akusikho like the bed of roses, maybe the way esinokucabanga ngakhona, uyabona. Nakhona ziyahappen, uyabona. So
ziyahappen as in
ziyawa futhi ziyahappen. Uyabona. So uthi mawufika lo moya lo, yazi why ngithi ziya, because kuney'koloto. Le moya mayifika isuke ifuna nayo iphushwa ukuthi awukwazi ukucrossa over ngalena kwe-amjuwet, because uney'koloto, i-scale sama-art asibhalansi, so ufanele usuncedwa yini abantu balayo. So isifika nge-rush, mayifika ayifike kube i-bed of roses, iyakwenzani, iyakudlozula. Igama elithi ukudlozula ngesinguni, specifically ngesiZulu, yabo, ukudlozomela, like forcefully, if ubamba something, uyangithola, but uyayidlozomela. Igama elithi dlozi, i-etymology yayo kahle kahle isuka la, dlozi, ukudlozomela. That's where it was derived kahle kahle.
Yeah, I've always felt, your guys' language is so rich, but because I didn't know my own. I think we're doing okay in Africa. I think we are. We just need to know self. But I really enjoy learning about such words. So ithongo basebuthongweni, what's your take on that one?
Well, this thing is a string theory. Izinto zethongo zobudlozi, it's science kahle kahle. You know what now the mainstream science is coining out? Izinto ama-ancestors wethu kudala of which they knew about, yabo. Yabona manje, there is this thing called the new age. Yeah, it's figuring another form of spirituality. So most of abantu abaningi abathatha like now, like the wokeness, you know, consciousness, you understand? Abantu those labantu abama-adepts of a new age movement, you know, it was staged by ithi ngingasho ukuthi abobani, you know.
Sure,
But I don't want to lose I don't want to lose the main
point.
focal point.
Yeah.
Uyabona? The new age movement kahle kahle, it's another way of capturing like a soul ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi upractice izinto ze-spirituality, you know, whereas ungapractice izinto ze-spirituality, you know.
What do you mean?
Mm?
What do you mean?
I mean, like now we have like the rise of abantu talking about izinto zomoya, you know, talking about izinto ze-spirituality, izinto zobu-consciousness, the awakening of the collective consciousness, you know. But kahle kahle, you know, these things, they were coined by the very same people who have been fighting so hard, you know, going all out their way, Utiba, you know, to keep us in that spiritual slumber, you know. Your question was,
Ithongo.
you
Ithongo, but
know,
ngiyayifuna leyo new age.
yeah. So in your age, ifike yakufundisa, you know, about ama 5Ds, 4D, nama 3. You understand? Yeah. Apparently those are the things that our ancestors bebezazi way back, you know. And now, according to this whole new age perception with abantu abama subjects wayo, they are in this this perception ukuthi we are in the 3D and we are headed towards the fourth dimension and the fifth dimension, which is the lie. You understand why? Because these are densities, these are dimensions othola ukuthi akhona already. I will make an analogy of FM radio station. You know, when you tuned into one radio station, say for a Metro FM, for instance, you can hear content da ukuthi kuyenzakalani. But awukhoni ukuthi umamele ukuthi ku-YFM zikhiphani. You understand? Mara just because umamele i-Metro doesn't mean ukuthi content ye-YFM I exist. When you're not tuned kuyo. So that's what happens with my dimensions. So, and densities. So mawulele njengoba bathi masiso we are in the 3D dimension. Mawulele Joe uyasuka kwi 3D ungena kwi fourth dimension, fifth dimension, sixth like kanjalo kanjalo. So akhona vele as ama frequencies of an FM. It's a matter of tuning in. I'll get to a point to tune kanjani. Yeah, understand. So mawusukile kwi third dimension, the fourth D isezweni lobuthongo.
Oh my gosh.
Uyabona? So lento new age eyenzayo right now kahle kahle spirituality is diluted. That's why bengathi ngiyalahleka kancane bengifuna ukuyithatha la. Like si-diluted spirituality right now. We have to scrutinize with what is real and what isn't real. You know, like Asa holds iheka and hakao. Iheka, ne? In a three tassels hanging down. We understand. Those are the ngothini, like like authorities, like the authorities njengoba uyi-three, the three represented like the authorities. Uyabona, those tassels are represented the authorities, the world of um ukuba like in the spiritual ignorance, darkness, you know, esibuya kuyo njengoba besi-colonized, you know, and the process of now seeking, you understand, and there's a process called nihast, which is enlightenment. Sewuyazi sekufanele translate yonke into oyifundile into pragmatism. Uyabona leyo nto. Also again is conscious, subconscious and unconscious. Ubuntwana, ukukhula, and bese usumdala. We understand. Yeah, this threefold. We understand. So leyo nto irepresenta ini again, iqiniso namanga, and then uphinde uvule this blanket yamanga, the tassel. Uyabona? So i-spirituality mangithi si-diluted kufanele ukuthi sazini ukuthi yini eyamanga, yini eya, because the flail kahle kahle was used in ancient times to separate wheat from, so kahle kahle on the spiritual context or terms, separator what is false from what is, you understand, iqiniso. Yeah, so nakwi-spirituality, yeah, the fourth D wena Ndlovukazi, into ekhona la ema-radio ikhona i-Metro FM ukuthi sijune ku-FM. Like maybe it might have happened with maybe YFM yona that dumbed us down to the lower state of being. You understand?
For example.
Well, the things that we see, you understand, on the
Mm.
mainstream, these
So what?
killings, the hatred, you know, the attacks, the propaganda, the, you know, the pollution, the environment, even pollution in psychology, you know, the electromagnetic pollution, kahle kahle, you know, kuningi okwenzakalayo okubonisa ukuthi kwama-symptoms proving ukuthi we are dampened down kwi-lower frequency of existence. You understand us? So with the brain waves, our brain waves operate at different frequencies. When we meditate, we get to open up to a brain wave that shifts us from the third dimension to the fourth dimension. Now deliberately, labo at will. Why? Because mawulele ukwenza like involuntarily. Uyabona leyo nto leyo. You don't control. Sometimes ukwazi ukucontrol. Now seweyandiza. Sometimes uyakhona, sometimes uyabona leyo nto. But into ongakhona ukuthi ushintshe i-Metro FM from i-frequency yakhona to i-frequency ye-YFM, because as we said ukuthi at default we were created to be multidimensional beings. Basically besidalelwe, we were created ukuthi sikhona ukumamela all of these radio frequencies simultaneously at once.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Phew, that was a lot. And we are at the end of this first session. Well, I think there should be part two. I think we learned a lot. So yeah, it'll probably be split in two parts. But thank you so much, Kesha, for the time, your enlightenment. We're gonna get into another session where we're gonna be speaking on the season of Heru. So please do catch Ross Heru. Yeah, he's not big on social media, so Lamota is willing to share where people find him on the bubble. But yeah, like I said, he's a lyricist as well, so you'll find him in the hip hop spaces, poetry spaces. But yeah, also about the Bed Center. Yeah, I discovered Bed Center, guys, recently. Yeah, but Menzi, yeah, dope times. So thank you so much,
brother Menzi Masego. Met shouts.
Yeah. So much for watching. Please do like, please do subscribe, please do engage with us on the comment section, ask questions. I think yeah, if he's willing to share his time with us again, yeah, the one
Mm.
recorder, yeah.
Yeah. Well,
It's odd
always.
hours because yeah, shame man. Yeah, guess a chance. I guess a chance.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna be closing. Uncle Ma'at, African Peace, never divided, always united.
Blessed.
So
Tawad.
this
Tawad. Tawad.
Here we go like that.